Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code P0780-73 indicates an issue with the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. This solenoid valve is crucial for controlling the pressure in the continuously variable transmission, CVT, affecting how power is delivered from the engine to the wheels. Its malfunction can lead to issues with pulley ratios, which may dramatically affect the vehicle's acceleration and overall performance. The solenoid is located within the valve body assembly, which houses numerous critical components that manage fluid flow and transmission function. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, monitors transmission operations and stores this DTC if it detects that the pulley ratio is out of its specified range, either when the vehicle is stationary or in motion. Understanding the exact implications of this error code is essential for effective troubleshooting and resolution. The CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve is integral to the operation of the continuously variable transmission, responsible for regulating pressure within the system. This component is located within the valve body assembly, ensuring that the transmission fluid can shift gears and provide the necessary power to the wheels effectively. If the solenoid valve is stuck in the on or off position, the vehicle may experience abnormal behavior, such as erratic acceleration or a lack of power when in motion. These issues arise due to an improper monitoring of the pulley ratio, and the TCM triggers the error code as a protective measure against potential damage. Therefore, it's vital to address this issue promptly to maintain vehicle safety and performance. When diagnosing DTC P0780-73, several potential causes need to be considered. A primary culprit could be a faulty CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve that may be stuck in a constant position, affecting the proper flow of transmission fluid. Additionally, poor electrical connections, such as corroded or loose connectors, can disrupt the communication between the solenoid and the TCM, leading to erroneous signals and operational failures. Contaminated transmission fluid may also hinder the solenoid's functionality, impeding its ability to regulate pressure effectively. Each of these factors can create significant issues within the transmission system that must be addressed for optimal vehicle performance. Drivers may experience several symptoms related to DTC P0780-73, which provide vital clues for diagnosis. Erratic vehicle acceleration is one key indicator, as a malfunctioning solenoid affects the transmission's ability to provide smooth and consistent power to the wheels. Poor gear shifting might also be evident, with noticeable delays or harsh changes between gears, contributing to an uncomfortable driving experience. Additionally, warning lights on the dashboard, particularly the check engine light or transmission-specific indicators, may illuminate, alerting the driver to potential issues with the transmission system. Recognizing these signs early can prevent further damage to the transmission and ensure timely repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0780-73 requires raising the vehicle on a lift, ensuring it is securely supported. This safety measure is crucial as it allows for easy access to the undercarriage and transmission components. Once elevated, it is important to allow all four wheels to rotate freely to facilitate the upcoming diagnostic tests effectively. Ensuring proper vehicle support helps prevent accidents or injuries while technicians examine the CVT system. Being meticulous about safety and vehicle stability right from the start ensures a smoother and safer troubleshooting process. Once the vehicle is secure, the next step involves starting the engine and disabling the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system. Disabling the VSA is necessary because this feature could interfere with the testing procedure by potentially altering how the vehicle responds during acceleration. With the engine running, It allows for the simulation of real-world driving conditions, providing a clearer picture of the issues present within the transmission system. This step is imperative as it sets the stage for accurate diagnostic results during the subsequent steps, highlighting any irregularities with the CVT. Following the engine startup and deactivation of VSA, the vehicle must be operated in D position until it reaches a speed of 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour. This specific speed is crucial for assessing the CVT's operational efficiency and accurately determining if the solenoid valve is functioning within its specified parameters. During this phase of testing, technicians closely monitor the vehicle's performance to identify any irregularities in its response to acceleration and deceleration. Observing the system's behavior at this speed allows for a comprehensive evaluation of the drivetrain, ensuring that any anomalies can be noted for further troubleshooting. After reaching the target speed, the next step involves slowing down the vehicle and bringing it to a complete stop. This action allows technicians to evaluate how the transmission engages and disengages during regular driving conditions. Observing the vehicle's response during this slowdown can reveal whether the solenoid valve adequately manages pressure during deceleration. Any disruption in the smoothness of the stop may indicate underlying issues with the CVT, particularly with the solenoid valve in question. This step is crucial to isolate problems that may present themselves under varied speed conditions. Next, after the vehicle has stopped, the technician should accelerate from a standstill using full throttle while in D position. This testing phase allows for a thorough evaluation of how the transmission responds under heavy load conditions. A properly functioning solenoid should facilitate a smooth transition as power is delivered from the engine to the wheels. Any hesitation, jerking, or failure to respond adequately may point to issues with the solenoid valve or other components within the transmission. Understanding the vehicle's performance during aggressive acceleration helps diagnose potential faults in the CVT system accurately. Once acceleration is performed, the vehicle must again be slowed down and brought to a complete stop. The technician should then turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode. This action helps reset the system, allowing for another run of the diagnostic tests. It is critical for the technician to repeat the tests to ensure consistency in the results. If issues persist, noting the behaviors observed during these cycles becomes essential for both diagnosis and repair planning. Each repetition confirms the integrity of the solenoid valve's functionality and overall performance of the CVT. After completing the troubleshooting steps and any necessary repairs, it is critical to verify that the solenoid's function is optimal. This verification process includes inspecting the solenoid valves to ensure they operate as intended, and that any previously stored DTCs have been cleared from the system. It is vital to perform a final road test to confirm that the vehicle operates normally without displaying any warning lights or erratic behaviors. Trustworthy verification of repair effectiveness ensures that the underlying issues have been successfully resolved, restoring reliability to the vehicle's transmission systems. A robust testing phase solidifies the efficacy of the troubleshooting efforts. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0780-73, implementing preventive maintenance is key. Regular checks of the transmission fluid level and condition can help identify any contamination or degradation that may affect the solenoid's performance. Inspecting electrical connections on a routine basis for signs of corrosion or looseness also plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity of the system. Adhering to prescribed routine maintenance intervals aids in catching potential issues early on, ensuring that the transmission system remains in optimal condition. Preventive maintenance is a proactive approach that can save drivers time and money by reducing the likelihood of future repairs. In conclusion, understanding the CVT's functionality and recognizing early symptoms is crucial in managing issues related to DTC P0780-73 effectively. Awareness of these symptoms allows drivers to respond swiftly, potentially preventing more extensive damage to the vehicle. Following a systematic troubleshooting approach is essential for accurate diagnosis, identifying issues relating to the CVT drive pulley pressure control solenoid valve. Regular maintenance and checks can mitigate problems before they escalate, ensuring reliability and longevity for the vehicle. Overall, informed and attentive care of the transmission system leads to a smoother driving experience and enhances vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.